This statement says malic acid may be retained in the wine to keep a harder taste. You may be tempted to put true here, but the correct answer, I believe, is cannot tell. So we've got a sentence down here which says that the conversion of malic acid into lactic acid aims to soften the taste of the wine, which is basically the opposite of what this statement says. So you may be tempted to say, okay, well, if you convert malic to lactic acid, that softens the taste of the wine. Therefore, if you keep the malic acid, that will keep the wine with a harder taste. Sort of seems logical, but a couple of problems. One is you can't really infer that keeping the malic acid gives it a harder taste, nor can you say that that's actually a deliberate strategy. So it says the malic acid may be retained in wine to keep a harder taste. It's saying that, this is something the winemakers actually do. And you can't really infer that from this passage here. So the correct answer is cannot tell. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Otherwise, you can take this free verbal reasoning test right now at gradtest.com.